Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the image search function on the Alibaba website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and go to your home page. Then click on this camera icon within the search bar at the top of the page. Here you can select an image from your files by tapping on the upload a file button, or you can drag and drop an image into this box, and then you will be able to find products or product inspiration with the image search feature. So here you have the results. Basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.